All right, we are here at Hoover Dam. We're gonna check out this dam tour, so let's go. Today, our family adventure leads us to Hoover Dam in Boulder City, Nevada. Built during the Great Depression from 1931 to 1936, this incredible structure first opened its doors on March 1st, 1936. Spanning the Black Canyon of the Colorado River, it stands as a concrete arch gravity dam on the Nevada-Arizona border. Amazingly, the dam's generators power homes in Nevada, Arizona, and California. Come join us as we provide you a tour of the inside and the outside of Hoover Dam. Welcome back, Chronicles crew. You have Carl here. If you're not familiar with our channel, we're a family travel vlog. We love to go to local spots, tourist attractions, and weird and wacky places. Hey, Rosalie, this is your first time at the Hoover Dam, huh? Yeah, Melissa and I have been here before.
Couple times.
We want to make sure we showed Rosalie the dam tour. And, you know, the reason we went here is because, you know, this is one of the more family-friendly activities you can do with your kids while in the Las Vegas area. Took about 50 minutes from the downtown strip to get over here. Every time I'm here, it really reminds me of that National Lampoon's Vegas Vacation.
I am your dam guide, Arnie, and please take all the damn pictures you want. Now, are there any damn questions?
All right, tour tickets. Escalators aren't working, but stairs are working. So you're gonna have to step all the way down the stairs to get your tour tickets. When you're here, it does feel like the airport because there is security. There are two types of tours when you're here. There's the 1-hour guided dam tour and also the $15 guided plant tour. Yeah, we did a 30-minute one because the other one didn't start till noon, and that was an hour. We got things to do today. All right.
Just go straight and take a right, just hang out with them.
Okay.
So before you even get started, you end up going to the theater because the ticket includes a 10-minute movie on the history of Hoover Dam. Wristband, no wristband. It's a little tight in here,
I'm just
huh?
gonna close my eyes for a
Yeah,
moment.
I'm just gonna go to sleep real quick.
Little tight. It's pretty surreal walking through the original construction tunnels, but just note, this is not for the claustrophobic.
See, we're under the ground, Rosalie.
Don't get lost here.
Big cave. This is a government facility, so you have to follow all the rules.
And the next stop for this tour is the viewing platform overlooking the penstock. While we were here, the very knowledgeable tour guide provided history of the Hoover Dam. And the thing that I found most interesting is there's 4 intake towers that are 395 feet tall. And what they do is they move the water from the lake to the river, and the water is moved through this penstock, which is 30 feet in diameter. And it's pretty impressive that it moves 96,000 gallons of water per second. So we kept on moving, and now we're headed to the Nevada wing of the power plant. So the Nevada side is right here on the right side, and what they have is 8 commercial generators. On the left side, which is the Arizona side, they have 9 commercial generators.
The dam is behind this back wall that says Bureau of Reclamation. It's behind this wall. The dam is 726 feet high and 660 feet thick at the base. Now, if you look to the floor at the generators, they remind me of big red drums. They are 70 feet tall, but we can only see the top 30 feet. The other 40 feet are below the floor. Each unit is rated for up to 130 megawatts. That is enough power to supply about 65,000 homes with electricity.
Time to go to our next place of the tour. As we wrapped up the tour guide was explaining how water would come through the walls and how they would basically divert it to make sure it doesn't get on the guests or also on the floors. When a tour guide lets you go, don't make the rookie mistake of leaving through the turnstile to see the dam right away. Keep going up and you'll run into the visitor center and the observation deck, which is both included on this tour. This is the model of it.
That's real stone.
So it gives water and power to Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada.
All right, so those are the valve houses. So when it overflows, they put it to the edge and flows and goes into there. What they said is when they created those, the first time they did it, the last time they did it was like in the 80s. So the bridge took 10 years and 240 million to complete. That one is the Mike O'Callaghan Pat Tillman Memorial Bridge. So they opened it in October 19, 2010 as a bypass. Look how pretty it is, so high. You can get a really good view of Hoover Dam from there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh look, there's people
Oh, wow.
standing there. We're gonna walk from Nevada all the way to Arizona. So on this trip, if you're trying to get more states, this is the way to do it. And we're on our way to Arizona. So if you look at these towers, this is the Nevada ones. So we're gonna head up to the Arizona ones. So as you can see, it's free to walk. So if you're here and you just wanna not take the tour and walk, there's a lot of places you can just go across and get a good view of the Hoover Dam.
Quite the view here.
Look, there's a little dock over there.
I see it.
So right here, you can really see Lake Mead as it comes to Hoover Dam. So if you look at the white line, that's how high it was back in the day. And the weird thing is actually it was lower. The Lake Mead last year did rise. But 2 years ago, it was the lowest it got. Look what they found.
Behind me, you can see the World War II era ship. Now, this is the latest relic to show up as the lake levels here at Lake Mead dramatically drop. I mean, look at this stark image. On the left, you see 1983 at its highest point at Hoover Dam. On the right, a picture that my producer Dan took just yesterday.
There's the Nevada one, and then here is the Arizona. Why is it so much busier in Arizona? Is it a cooler side? I wonder. All right, guys, we made it to Arizona. Yay! We're gonna take a picture in Arizona. Let's go back to Nevada. Nevada's over there. All right, let's cross the street here and get a different view of Hoover Dam. I actually like this view too.
Oh, we're right next to the dam.
Look how scary this is. I'm gonna hold on to everything here. Whoa! That was a really fun tour to be able to go see the inside of Hoover Dam, and it's Rosalie's first time. What'd you think of it?
It was pretty damn cool. I really enjoyed going into the dam and learning about how it generates electricity for several states.